Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect and watch ZEE5 app to your smartphone to your smart TV. So download and install the ZEE5 app in your smart TV. Download and install the ZEE5 app and open. And click on login. And in your phone, download and install the ZEE5 app and open it. And now tap on profile and tap on activate TV. Now tap the TV code in your mobile phone. So let me type it. So the TV is activated, you can see. Select your profile and that's it. Now you can watch ZEE5 on your smart TV. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.